yes, unity is important in body, mind, spirit, soul, strength, wisdom, whatever else categories you want to put. But you have to ask, what are your core-ish doctrines, and what are your doctrines you show grace on? If you don't agree on core doctrines, the best you can really hope for is an acquaintanceship. Somebody might be able to help you out on one specific topic, but you can't really go deep, have a deep relationship with the people unless they agree on your core beliefs. So yes, I do say let's have unity. But the reason I sometimes like this cause discussions is because we're not fully in agreement all on the core items yet. So it just needs to be something that needs to be talked out on how to get people to the core items. Or you can just simply say, well, it's only this one specific topic that I want talking to this other person about. But yeah, we're not really close. There's might be one topic we have in common. And again, one topic out of thousands of topics kind of says one thing. And there's always going to be a subject matter expert in a field you might go to, but you don't have to build a close, solid friendship with that subject matter expert. It's better just to be acquaintances.